Today, we're diving into one of Ferrari's most captivating creations for 2025, the Ferrari Roma. And before you ask why, the Ferrari Roma is elegance and performance wrapped into a stunning package. Its sleek, minimalist design is a nod to classic Grand Tourers, yet it boasts a modern flair that makes it unmistakably Ferrari. With a long hood, smooth curves, and an aggressive stance, this car is a rolling piece of art that demands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, the Roma features a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine and delivers an astonishing 612 horsepower, taking you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this Ferrari offers not only blistering speed, but also smooth and precise gear shifts. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing it on a winding road, the Roma promises a driving experience that's both thrilling and refined. Step inside and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that blends traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. The driver Spectrum cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, a responsive central touchscreen, and premium materials throughout. The Roma also incorporates Ferrari's signature Manettino switch, giving you control over various driving modes to suit your mood. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Roma comes with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These additions ensure you can enjoy the power and performance with peace of mind. As for pricing, the Ferrari Roma starts at around $250,000, making it a dream car for many. But if you're lucky enough to own one, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in a legacy of automotive excellence. Anyway, it is pretty neat to get a Ferrari with at least two cars, because some cars only have one. The Ferrari Roma isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of sophistication and power. What are your thoughts on this masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.